Hi, this is Satvinder Singh Bhartiya, your life leadership coach. There are four types of people in this world. There are four categories. One is survivors. So the people who belong to this category, their life is just on survival mode. Whether you consider their business, whether you consider their job, if they are in job, whether you consider their relationships. So in everything, they are on survival mode. And that's why they get to do a lot of travels and forget about a good life. They mostly have a miserable life. And the second category is maintenance. The people who are above survivors. So they are able to manage their life very well. Neither they are doing great nor they are doing bad. So in a job, at whatever position they are comfortable. They don't want to grow much. In a business, if they are earning enough to feed themselves and meet the daily requirements, that's enough for them. In the relationship, if it's going okay, it's fine. They don't want to improve it. And the third category is growth category. The people in this category, though they are satisfied with their life, but they want to grow. If they are in job, they want quick promotion, they want good increments, or they want to take more responsibility. If they are into business, they want to take their business to next level. If they are in a relationship and it's going good, they want to take it to next level. So these are the people who actually get successful in their life eventually. And the last and the fourth category is super growth category. The people who go to this category, definitely they come from the growth category. And these are the people you know very well. They are famous all over the world and they are super successful. They are very successful. Like many businessmen, for example, Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, and many other businessmen and politicians, or people in other areas, superstars, movie heroes, singers. So they are into super growth categories. So now you need to analyze in which category do you belong at present. Are you in maintenance category, or you are in growth category, or you are in survival category, or you are in super growth category? And you need to take a decision that you want to change your category. Until and unless you change your category, you can't achieve what you are made for. You can't achieve what you are capable of. You can't achieve what you deserve. So in order to become successful, in order to become happy, the first thing you need to do is change your category from survivor to maintenance, and then maintenance to growth, and eventually to super growth. Thank you. Take care.